Hi, my name's Joel Damiano, member of DAS Audio Engineering Department and Head of Technical Support for live and touring installations. In previous videos, we've explored DASnet, how to work with it, and we've taken our first steps. Today, we're going to discuss two practical examples. One is an installation and the other is a live event. The first example is an installation, in this case a bar and restaurant, where the sound has to be controlled in different zones. Let's open the file that we created with DASnet. We met with the owner, who indicated a few requirements that we needed to consider when designing the venue's DASnet project. The first point was that the outdoor terrace could only have sound during the day. At night, it would have to be turned off. The second point was that the main restaurant area inside, with tables during the day, was used as a dance floor at night. To accommodate this, we created a mute group to turn on or off the sound for the terrace. We also created two volume or gain controls, one for the restaurant where people were dining, and another for the bar to keep volume levels acceptable for bartenders and other employees. We also created a mute all button to mute the entire system in emergencies. Another inconvenience that had to be overcome was that the system would be operated by a person with little technical knowledge who might inadvertently modify critical parameters. To protect the system, we created a user with restricted privileges, only able to access the custom panel. The second example is a live event, specifically a festival. We had to take into account several factors, but the most important was to control noise pollution as much as possible. This was a 24-hour festival with a residential area near the venue. During the day, since there were people only in front of the main stage, we muted the outfill as well as the delay towers. To do this, we created these two mute groups. We also created faders to control the overall gain of the main system, the front fills and the subwoofers, in order to create snapshots if a sound technician asked us to change the level of any of these systems. Another aspect in which DASnet was extremely helpful was to control the subwoofer line. In this case, we used 40 LX218 units to make a cardioid virtual arc setup. Considering that we had to apply different parameters for each subwoofer line before DASnet, this would have required a large number of DSP channels and consequently a lot of DSPs. Now with DASnet, we can change these parameters directly in each unit. For the virtual arc, we can increase delays from the units in the middle to those on the outside. And we can reverse the polarity for the cardioid setup. Another very important aspect of DASnet, since this was a 24-hour festival in summer, was the ability to monitor the temperature of each of the units. To do so, we left the system monitor window open to check the temperature of the entire system. That's all for today. We hope it was helpful. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel and visit our website dasaudio.com for more information on DASnet. Thank you.